So now the first thing we're going to be doing is to head straight to TikTok. That's where we're going to be generating our image. If you know any other place to generate your image, fine and good, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be heading to TikTok because a lot of people on TikTok are using this particular dancing baby to make money on their page. So you just go ahead and type on this TikTok search button and then you type dancing baby. After typing dancing baby, it's going to show you a lot of pages of people that are on this niche and are creating videos. You're going to see so many pages, guys. If you go through those pages, you realize that these people are making so much money. Like, they have so much views and so much followers just by using these babies to, trend or use viral music to create dancing baby videos, and these videos are doing very well. You guys can see. So just scroll down and check anyone that you like. Yeah, just scroll and take your time, guys. Look for the one that you like. Let me use this one, this particular one. This is the one I want to be using for the sake of this tutorial. So you're going to pause the video exactly where it is showing the baby that is dancing, a full video of the baby. Then you screenshot it. Okay, once you screenshot it, you're just kind of going to crop it a little. So for those of you that are asking, you can just play the video and then you stop it exactly where the baby that is dancing is standing, so that in the next step it will give us what we need. Now after screenshotting it like this, we'll now head to ChatGPT. That's what we're going to be doing the remaining work. Yes, so you can use the free version of ChatGPT. If you're using the paid version, it's still a plus. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be uploading the video first. You click on this plus icon here. After clicking on the plus icon, look at the video, the picture that we just selected. So don't forget to crop it. I think I have one that I cropped already, so I'm going to be using that one for the sake of this video. Yeah, so once you add the picture, you now go ahead and prompt it. Or you're going to be telling ChatGPT to please recreate the picture attached, then you send. So you're going to wait for ChatGPT to recreate the picture and send to us. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT will give us. You can actually use other you can also use other AI generating apps to do this. You can use either the Wix AI, you can use the Leonardo AI, and I think even Grok can recreate this image for you. So while we wait, let's just give it some time and see what it's going to give us. So guys, this is what we have. As you guys can see, this is what ChatGPT recreated for us. So this is what we're going to be using to, do our video and make the baby dance. Now, mind you, sometimes if you should do the first time, it might not work on ChatGPT. As you guys can see, look at the first prompt I did. Can you guys see? Up to now, it might upload later. It might upload later, I don't know, but I had to repeat it for the second time after pasting the screenshot, and I told ChatGPT to recreate the image. So this is it. This is what it recreated the image to. Now, the next thing is we're going to be going to the app that is going to make this baby dance. But before we do that, we have to look for a dancing video of any dancer or any celebrity that you know. You have to get a video of a celebrity or any dancer, like I said, of your choice, because you're going to be using that video to clone this baby, to make that baby dance the same way that dancer is dancing. So that's what we're going to do. Now, we're still going to go back to TikTok. So let's go back to TikTok, guys. Okay, so you just search any dancer of your choice. So we're going to get a video that is showing a complete dancer, like from the head to the toe, so that we can capture it well. Okay, so this is the particular one I'll be using. This Eva Vibes, I'll be using her video to to do our own, to recreate to the image that we generated. So you just go ahead and save this video and download it. Okay, so let's wait for it to download. All right, it's done. So once you're done downloading, what you're going to do next is, before we go to the app that we're going to use to, make our image dance, we'll now come to the video. You can see this video is almost 40 seconds long. So if you don't reduce it, they're going to charge you more credits. Remember, they'll be giving you just 66 credits, right? They'll be giving you just 66 credit, right? So you need to reduce it to, if possible, 12 seconds. Yes, let's reduce it down to 12 seconds, or I think highest, let it not be more than 14 to 15 seconds, but let's just keep it at 12 seconds so that the credit won't be much, right? So I've edited it to 12 seconds now, so we'll go ahead and save it. All right. Okay, so once we're done saving, we can now go back to Kling AI. So if you're using Android or iPhone, the app is available in any phone that you're using. So you just go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store, and then you type Kling AI. All right, so let's go ahead and type Kling AI. So look at it here. So this first one, look at it. This first one is the one you're going to be going with. This one that has a kind of a black and white. So I've already downloaded mine. So we'll go ahead and open the app. Now, after opening the app, you will need to use your email to register. This app is not free, but when you register, they're going to give you free credits. So it's the free credits you're going to be using to do this particular video. I think they're going to give you 60 credit or hereabout. So the only wisdom about this thing is, in case if you have more than 1 or 2 Gmail, after registering with the first one and then you exhaust your credit, you can also use the other email to sign in. You guys understand what I'm saying, right? So now this is what the interface will show you once you register. Now, are you seeing this place? Are you showing Kling 01 AI image and AI video? So this dash and dot that you're seeing here, just going to swipe. Okay, you just swipe. After swiping, you're going to see AI video, text to video, multi-elements. You're going to be clicking this place that is showing motion control. You click this plus sign up, and then you go to your cam roll, and then you select the video that ChatGPT created for us earlier. All right, then this place down that is showing you add motion, you click on it, and then you select cam roll, and then you add the video that we just downloaded a few minutes ago from TikTok. So you allow the video to upload. All right, so you guys can see it here. The video has uploaded, right? All right, so look at it here. They'll be charging us 60 credits to generate this video. So you click on generate and we wait for it. Okay, so since we're using the free version, it's showing us that it's going to take about 3 hours according to what I'm seeing here, but it might not be up to 3 hours. So we're in queue. If you have any other thing to do, you can just at this point go and do any other thing that you're doing, then you check back later and continue. So we're going to wait for it to finish up, and then we'll come back and see the outcome. So guys, let's go back to Kling AI and see what we have. Okay, so you just open the app and you click on assets. This is where your video. So this is what we have, guys. Let's see. So this is the video that we used. Okay, let me just go ahead and save it. We'll go ahead and save our video. Okay guys, let's go back. So this was the one we copied, right? This was the dance we copied. And this is what our baby gave us. Can you guys see? Isn't this beautiful? Look at the facial expression and everything. Like, make sure that the video you are downloading, that's the dancer that you want to, copy the steps for your AI generated baby. Make sure that you have a complete video. Don't download a video that is just showing halfway, maybe from the head to just the waist or the knee. Make sure the video is complete from the head to the toe of the dancer so that you'll be able to capture the dancing steps very well in your Kling AI app. Yes, so that's just the perfect way to do it. And if you go to TikTok and type dancing baby, you will see that a lot of creators are creating content like these dancing babies. They are going viral. They are going viral. Just go ahead and start yours. Just try it, guys. Try it. The Clean AI app is not free. I know there are a lot of other apps there. I'll be making more research so that I can bring more apps to you people. But then the Clean AI is not free. But when you register, they will give you free 66 credits. Yes, so when you're generating your videos, you can make them short. You can just reduce the size of your videos. You can make them in at least, even if it's 5 seconds or 2 seconds. If you decide to generate in, let's say, 5 seconds videos, you can use that 66 credit to generate, like, let's say, two videos at least in a day, and it's going to go a long way. So when you start like that, with time, if you notice that like you're getting more audience in your page, you can now decide to invest. Okay, I think the minimum subscription there that you can do in a week, there is a subscription of 1900. You can decide to do the weekly own, which is 1900, if you can afford the monthly or the yearly plan, because those ones are more expensive. But trust me, once you start getting that audience, I think sacrificing 1900 in a week, I don't think is much. It's still affordable. So in case you want to go into that niche long term, you can, create, for a start, just make sure that you have other Gmail account, extra Gmail account, so that you'll be able to pull up at least, let's say, 4 to 5 videos. Once your page or your channel, depending on where you're posting it, especially TikTok, they are doing very, very well on TikTok. So once you're posting and then you notice that your page is getting that traction, that visibility, like audience are coming in very well, you can now be doing, even if it's the 1900 naira plan weekly. I think you get almost is it 100 credits or 150 credits for 1900. You can use it to generate your videos and create at least in a week. You can use that 1900 to create like 2 to 3 videos. So for a start, just create extra Gmail account and use it to create videos. You understand? Everything is sense, guys. It's 2026. You need to apply wisdom in everything. So once you notice that your channel is doing well or your page is doing well, you can now invest. Yes, you can now invest, because definitely it's going to bring you money. So sometimes you need to spend a little to get money. So there's nothing wrong with that, guys. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section which other AI tutorial you want me to be doing for you guys. And don't forget to turn on your notification so that anytime I upload interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.